Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somtit. Today I'm going to cook stir-fry bean sprout with salted fish. It is simple, fast and delicious. For the ingredients I have 400 grams of bean sprout or tauge, 1 red chili cut in stripes, 5 cloves of garlic crushed, 3 stalks of spring onions cut to 1.5 inch length, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 piece or 40 grams of salted fish. I'm using salted fish in oil from the bottle, and this is what it looks like. Alright, ingredients are ready. Let's go and cook it. Heat the pan and raise the temperature into medium heat. Add in cooking oil. Wait for oil to heat up. This may take around 1 minute. Add in all crushed garlic and give it a stir until fragrant, brown and crispy. This may take around 2 minutes. The garlic is ready. Remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan with hot garlic oil, I'm putting in the salted fish. Frying salted fish releases a very strong pungent smell, so please be careful as it may cause coughing or sneezing. Best to open the window or turn on the cooking exhaust. The salted fish also cooks really fast, so I'm going to use the spatula to break it into smaller pieces while frying it. Within 45 seconds, the salted fish is ready. I'm going to remove some pieces out of the frying pan and leave some here. This to set it aside. In the pan, we have some nice salted fish flavor here with a bit of oil. Next, I'm going to add in the bean sprout. And use the spatula to spread them to the side of the pan so that the heat from the side of the pan can cook the bean sprout evenly. Now add in the chili, all of the spring onions, and sugar. Allow 10 to 20 seconds for the bean sprout to cook at the bottom of the pan. Now I'm going to flip and stir to cook the bean sprout evenly. As the bean sprout cooks really fast, we are going to add in the fried salted fish and leave a bit for garnishing. Add in fried garlic and leave some for garnishing. Give it a couple of stirs. Switch off the heat. Within less than 3 minutes, our delicious stir-fried bean sprout with salted fish is ready. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious. It has enough taste and enough flavors. If more seasoning is needed, it can be added now, but this is really delicious. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Topping up with fried garlic and fried salted fish. Let's eat! Wow, delicious! The bean sprout are crunchy and go really well with salted fish. The salted fish and garlic add a lovely fragrance to this dish. It will go so well with white rice. Thank you for watching. If you have tried it, please let me know how it turns out. And please subscribe to be notified on my next recipe. Thank you and bye-bye!